So in this video, I'm going to show the development of all of my crops within my game. I'll summarize the modeling process, then talk about how the scripts are set up and how they work. So the best way that I've found to design something in Blender is by using reference images. And by the end of this, I managed to create 3 different types of crops: wheat, beet, and carrots. Now onto the scripting. I was working on this during the weekend, so I didn't have access to my project files. So I created a temporary project to develop the script. So the first script that I created is for a database. The database will hold information for each crop: name, game objects for the actual crop and its plant, then a list for each of the stages. Each stage will include a 3D model and the duration it lasts for. Here's what the code looks like for the database. You can pause if you like to copy it. As for the script that handles the crop growth, it's pretty much straightforward. The script is attached to a plant object that is created when a crop is planted. When this object is created, the data is read from the database. The plant is created and a timer is set. At the end of this timer, the plant has a chance to grow to the next stage. Currently, I've just set it as a 40% chance. However, if the plant doesn't grow, the timer is reset. When it grows to the new stage, the previous plant is destroyed and a new plant is created. This happens until all of the stages are completed. Now that's pretty much it for all the scripting and for the crops. If you have any suggestions, you can let me know and I would love to hear them in the comments. If you like this type of video where I focus on one feature and explain everything, make sure to like and subscribe.